What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Why is there so much selling pressure right at market open? I'm sure a lot of you guys saw this quick change of direction during the pre-market session. The NASDAQ market was indicating signs of an uptrend, and then quickly right at market open, literally we began to sell off. Why did this happen? I'm going to keep today's video super short and sweet. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via Discord. That's that first link in the description. And if you want to watch me trade live, I trade live every single day. That's going to be that second link down below. So there are a total of $2 trillion in stock options that expire today. It's always going to be the third Friday of the month, so make sure that you take that into consideration. And again, stock options are only able to be exercised during normal trading hours. That means, or that makes sense on why there was, bullish momentum and demand during that pre-market session, but right as the market opened, they began to expire. And, especially if they think that the market's gonna end up selling off, then this is where they're going to most likely want to cover to make sure that they come out in the green. Now, the other thing that I do want to talk about that was not positive is the existing home sales. It's an economic report. Again, you can always look into this yourself. It was released 30 minutes after the market opened, and it came in higher than expected. But hey, Ricky, why is this not good, right? Expectation was 4.38 million of existing home sales, and what actually came out was 4.43 million, right? This means that more homes are being sold than expected. Remember, the Federal Reserve wants to see the economy to feel the pressure. And if they don't see the economy feeling the pressure, then guess what they're going to do? They can justify a more aggressive interest rate hike. And this is why we can see more selling pressure. And this is why we saw more selling pressure literally 30 minutes after the market opened. And it's because of those existing home sales came in hotter than expected. Remember, right now, bad news is good news and good news is bad news. Other than that, I think that we do have the possibility for part of today to actually begin to work our way back to that moving average. But as of right now, we're really even struggling breaking above that EMA. So one of the things that I do want to remind you is, again, you don't have to trade every single day. And if you see that direction is not in your favor, if you see the market's too choppy, if you simply see conditions to be too risky, then not taking a trade and or really paying attention to your position size is not a bad idea, right? Especially on a Friday. I mean, get an early start to your weekend and, prepare for this upcoming week, right? We have that FOMC minutes meeting that's going to happen on November 23rd, which is the day before Thanksgiving. And I will be live streaming that for free on my YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe. So I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of why there was so much selling pressure. And it's because $2 trillion worth of option contracts are set to expire today. So again, be careful with today's intraday volatility. So if you have any questions, you guys know how to reach out to me. If you want to watch me trade live, that's that second link down below. I'm using the Webull trading application. That's that fifth link in the description. If you want to sign up and earn up to 12 free stocks, if I'm not mistaken, when you deposit $1. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's that third link in the description. And remember, we are giving away $2,000, and that's going to be that fourth link in the description if you want to learn a little bit more about it on how you can enter to win $2,000. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.